Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today video we are going to build a simple and fun the Catch Master game using HTML, CSS and a JavaScript. It is an easy project and we can complete it under 5 minutes. Let's go. We build first of all a structure through the HTML and we build control buttons using in the class right, left and reset button also, and here we add a script for this how to play this game and all settings for like object canvas height, width, height also here, and this is basket properties also given. We write a small function for our project of how to play and how to move the basket. we, we create a simple small functions right here. If you want to this code write down, I gave the link in the description for give your code, and here I will provide access all type of access. How we played this game using mouse pad, touch mouse through keywords, also touch screen for all for buttons, and also touchpad here. You are see this is how to we play this game using buttons, and here the object is fall down, and also here see score is counted, and here we also access the keyboard buttons, left and right arrows keys. Here you see we write down the all properties for allow the all devices for the we played this game using keypad, touchpad, mouse, our keypad, but keyboard, phone, like this. Also we pressed E. We played this game also using our button phone also, and we played this game in button phones like a Nokia Geo. Also we used this left and right buttons for and play this game also in all device. And here we see we create a function game loop for our object is fall down continuously, and our object is touch down in the canvas base, and then our on the canvas screen write down on the game over. Here we create a small functions, move how to move object, and same here the we use the if random math random, and we write the 5 value in the math random, and we write the 0.003 for moving uh, mm, for these objects, how much drop down the value. Then you create a toughest level for this game, then you replace the object, when you replace the random math values 0.003 to 0.02. Then here I will play this game from the keyboard button and just enjoy, and you see score is automatic counted here, drop here, and this is show going game over, and our object is connected from the touch from the based, and here we write some CSS for this game. Thank you for this watching. I you game tutorial, web game tutorial. If you want to more code for this, more project for this types, then you like, subscribe for more and share also. Thank you for